I want to tell you about my best friend. His name is Alex, and he is 25 years old. We have been friends for many years. I met Alex at school when we were both students. Now we still talk every day and spend a lot of time together. Alex is a tall young man. He is about 1.85 meters tall. He has a slim body because he likes to exercise. He goes to the gym 3 times a week, and he also enjoys running in the park. He has short, straight black hair and big brown eyes. His skin is light, and he has a small nose. He wears glasses because his eyesight is not very good. He also has a small beard that makes him look older than he is. Alex likes to dress simply but neatly. He often wears jeans, a clean t-shirt, and sneakers. Sometimes, when we go out to dinner or to a party, he wears a nice shirt and black trousers. In the winter, he wears a warm coat, a wool hat, and a scarf. He always looks tidy and well-dressed, but never too fancy. Alex is not just good-looking, he also has a wonderful personality. He is one of the kindest people I know. He is always polite and respectful to others. He speaks gently and listens carefully when people talk. He always says, "Please, thank you," and "Excuse me." Many people feel comfortable around him because he is calm and friendly. He is also very helpful. When someone needs help, Alex is always ready to give a hand. For example, last week, our neighbor was carrying heavy bags, and Alex helped her bring them upstairs. He does not wait for people to ask, he just sees what needs to be done and helps. Another thing I love about Alex is his sense of humor. He is very funny. He tells great jokes and he knows how to make people laugh even when they are feeling sad. When I have a bad day, I talk to Alex and he always finds a way to make me smile. Alex is also a bit shy. He does not like to speak in front of many people. In a big group, he usually stays quiet and listens. But with close friends, he talks a lot and shares his thoughts. He is honest and trustworthy. I can tell him anything, and I know he will keep my secrets. In his free time, Alex likes to read books and watch movies. He enjoys learning new things. He reads about science, travel, and history. Sometimes, he teaches me new words in English. He also likes to play the guitar, and he plays very well. He even wrote a song once. I feel very lucky to have a friend like Alex. He is not only smart and funny, but also kind, honest, and caring. He makes my life better, and I always feel happy when I spend time with him. Everyone needs a friend like Alex.